Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I will be doing a sole reglue for these Foamposites. Like a lot of traditional foams, they have an issue with getting like the little air bubble underneath the actual bottom of the sole. It's pretty much just a wear and tear over amount of time the glue's coming apart, as well as the carbon fiber was coming off on this junk. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some acetone and separate the sole from the actual shoe, remove the residue, and then reapply some more glue and then bind them back together. So I'm about to go ahead and show you the process of how I did that, and pretty much I'm gonna make this kind of like a short video, but let's get it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you, and let's ride.
Lately I've been feeling blessed, yeah. Lately I've been feeling blessed. I don't need to talk that time. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling blessed. Lately I've been feeling blessed. I don't gotta talk that tape. Hey, still I'm sipping on that tape. Still I'm counting out these checks. Still I'm counting out these checks. Lately I've been feeling blessed. Lately I've been feeling blessed. I just still be counting checks. Enjoy bitch, she wants some sex. Lately I've been feeling blessed. Still I'm counting out these checks.
Yeah, so if you're wondering what I was using to pry the shoe together, it's pretty much like a silhouette, there you go, weaver. So it's like a little vinyl weaver I was using to get between the cracks, and then once I got a little gap, that's when I applied some acetone with a Q-tip, and I applied some acetone to the actual cotton ball, and then slide it right underneath, and then made it much easier to come right off. For a moment, these jumps were kind of hard a little bit, but I got it.
Like I told you, I don't want the fame, I want the check. I don't want no clout up on my name, I want the rest. Smile on shorty, sweet like sugar cane. She throw it back, I be working hard for the change, and that's a fact. Lately I've been feeling blessed. Lately I've been feeling blessed. I don't gotta talk that tape. Hey, still I'm sipping on that tape. Still I'm counting out these checks.
Yeah, so that's when I whipped out the derma drill to remove the old glue and the residue off the shoe, so I have a clean bond to it, which made it job much easier. I definitely advise anyone who's doing this to get derma drill.
Lately I've been feeling blessed. Still I'm counting out these checks. Lately I've been feeling blessed. 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 I got problems in my head, baddies in my bed, mommy for my bread. All I want is head, all I want is head. Bitch, I ain't posted. I got problems in my head, baddies in my bed, and she want me for my bread. All I want is head, posted up with the Nina. I can't trust the soul. Hey, I can't trust the soul. I got problems in my head, baddies in my bed, yeah, want me for my bread. All I want is head, posted with the Nina. I can't trust the soul. Mo, he posted with the Nina. Hey, little shawty really nice. nice to meet you. It was just nothing to go ahead and greet you. On phone and you figure you got some good features. Wanna know some things, girl, I can teach you. There's a cost for that, but I wanna lead you. Work on yourself and life will never cheat you. I got some good gas, rolling fast like a cheetah. I beat the pussy too tough, they go Peter. Working really hard, so I put my feet up. Niggas jealous, I'm Goku de Vegeta. Ben I keep bonita, senorita. That nigga lame, you should've got a prenup. Take care of the baby while his shorty cheese on. While I put babies all over her damn tongue. While I'm on the court, I'm ballin' like it's N1. 10 G's by currency, man, it's my anthem. Why that little bitty think that I'm so handsome? She gave me a hand lip in the cat and then some. Son and her boyfriend, he really my grandson. Give her the work, then go Stanny Phantom. Tryna make some place get wavy Atlanta. Tryna blow up, do a show at Atlanta. Hit her with the stick, she screaming my Lanta. Ayy, 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 ayy. Son and her boyfriend, he really my grandson. Ayy, 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 ayy. Son and her boyfriend, he really my grandson. Ayy. Problems in my head, baddies in my bed, and she want me for my bread. All I want is head. Pose her with the Nina. I can't trust the soul. I can't trust the soul. I got problems in my head, baddies in my bed. Yeah, want me for my bread. All I want is head. Pose her with the Nina. I can't trust the soul. I can't trust the soul.
Bad bitch ain't basic, and she know the basics. Oh, she crazy for the night, she don't wanna waste it. Tell her through the that's right. Rotation, ass make a round shade. I ain't hate you, look over the sky like, oh my, that's crazy. Living on my mind a lot lately, ayy. Going through it like they don't faze me, fade. I ain't here to entertain no bitch, that's boring, ayy. Bitches say that I'm exciting cause they boring, ayy. Remember bitches sleeping on me, they was snoring, ayy. Now I fuck with bad bitches cause I'm bored, ayy. I don't smoke no more, it used to feel euphoric, ayy. Oh, she taught me how to drive it, how to floor it, ayy. I used to lust for these bitches, now they boring, ayy. And every girl I say I love to love me more, ayy.
Whoa, whoa, every girl I say I love, she love me more, ayy. Dive in with no foreplay, seeing what's in store, ayy. After we done, we both looking for the cozy war, ayy. She too good, I know that she done this before, ayy. Switching shots, I'm falling on fire like quarter four, ayy. Yeah, I'm fire like quarter four, ayy. Yeah, yeah.
Bitch ain't basic, and she know the basics. Oh, she crazy for the night, she don't wanna waste it. Tell her that that's bad. Rotation, ass make a round shade.